Daddy. We had a whole time.
Jeep Creep. What's up, Jeep Creepers? Today we have a very fun special edition. More restoration projects. But it ain't on that guy. No. It's on this little girl. I did a little garbage digging and I found this, well, not garbage digging, but out of somebody's trash. Somebody was throwing this away. And I also have a F-150 Raptor Power Wheel. And don't know if it works yet, but wanted to clean it up and see what we can do. I'm going to be using a couple of my products that are my favorite cleaners right now, which is, boom, super clean. Stuff works awesome. Mix it with a little bit of water for different applications. And then also your regular old Dawn dish soap. Does amazing things. I like to use a little sponge. What we're gonna do is clean it really good. This has even got like a little canopy thing. And my buddy told me he cleaned his seat belts just by soaking it in super clean in water, letting it sit for a while. So I might try that if that canopy is salvageable. I don't know, it looks kind of ripped and crappy. I might just get rid of it. But the only other thing are the stickers here. These will come off real easy. I'm gonna probably use a heat gun and a scraper knife. And then I bought a plethora of paints. Let's see what I got color-wise. I don't know what color I want to use yet, but this Krylon Fusion paint primer works pretty good. I use that a lot for painting plastics. So I got a satin spring grass. I just kind of went crazy because I had a good gift card at Lowe's. Let's see, I've also got satin black for trim. What else did I get? The F-150 is blue, so I got some blue colors as well. We got gloss Patriot blue. What else we got here? We got matte deep gray, more trim colors. Let's set this down a sec. All right, what else do we got? We also have the Rust-Oleum. This is actually one of the higher rated ones as well. This is also for painting plastics. This is a high gloss white, opposed to a regular gloss, I guess. I got another shade of green. This is a gloss hunter green. We got some red if I want to go red. And this is apple red, Rust-Oleum. We got some gloss clear. Put a clear coat on it if I don't like the satin. We got another blue. This is the Rust-Oleum deep blue color. And just for fun, they have glow-in-the-dark paint, which is pretty cool. And not only is it glow-in-the-dark paint, but it's glow-in-the-dark max. It's supposed to be 2 times stronger. This is not going to be for the Power Wheel. This is going to be for another application. Probably painting some Halloween stuff with it, you know, to make it glow in the black light. But let's get this project underway. All the debadging is done. I got all the stickers off. Yeah, looking pretty good so far. So you can see all the stickers are off. You can see the original color, like a cotton candy pink, since this is a Barbie edition Safari Jeep or whatever the heck they call them. You can still hear the motors in it, so that's good. Still got motors. It didn't have a battery, but that's okay. It probably would have been bad anyway. Oh, there's another sticker. I'll get that off too. You can see how bad the hood is. I mean, it is just completely gone. So I'm gonna super clean the heck out of this thing and go back over it with some Dawn dish soap and soapy water. And yeah, should be pretty good. Be ready to be painted. I'm not sure if I need to fine sand it to make the paint stick or not. I'll read the instructions on the paint and we'll go from there. using super clean, a little scrub brush and a little hose. We got it as clean as it's gonna get. Unfortunately for this, the mildew is almost like infused into the plastic. So good thing that I'm painting that thing, eh? There's a couple rough spots where it took some damage. I'm gonna probably lightly wet sand it, get it smooth, and then right after that I'm going full on disassembly and painting each part individually just because it's way easier. Yeah, so it'll be fun. Here we go. Boy, oh boy, we got this thing tore down to just about the least common denominator. I still got to separate the windshield from that. This hood releases. But here's the body. I mean, these things are so simple designed. I wonder why they're making money. I mean, you just stamp it out, big old Jeep body, and then there's not that many screws that hold this thing all together. I mean, there's, let's see, bumper screws there, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, I would say 18 screws total. I mean, they're stainless, which is nice. There's a couple in there, 20. I'm gonna call it 20 screws. That's pretty accurate. Pretty cool. Most of this stuff just pops together, and I like it. It's fun. Everybody should redo one of these. Oh, there's actually probably a couple more screws in there holding that unit together. But you can see your motors. They just connect. Just got 2 of them, and you got your little shift controller here for your forward and high and low. Battery connector, and then this is your little foot pedal. All real simple electronics, nothing to this really. It's pretty cool. The channel that those wires run in gets pretty nasty, so if you're looking to really clean everything, make sure you take that apart. But I need to wash this again, just because all of the crevices that we've unlocked. So I'm going to clean this up really good and get it ready for painting. All nice and clean. I'm going to paint the bottom black, just because it's an easy touch-up color. You could do it all the same color, but that way there my color will last longer too. Since I've only got 1 can, we'll see how far that goes. I might need to buy more. One thing I did notice is this is where the axle goes. It's got some stress creases on there. So I'm gonna reinforce this with some plate steel on both sides, and then run some screws through it, make it super strong. So you know, if something happens funny, like the weight of a human or something, or an adult human, I should say, screwing around getting in it, it'll take the abuse. I didn't show it, but I used aluminum tape for the mirrors. It gives it a little bit of a reflective shine. I just need to mask and paint around the mirror to sharpen the edges. But looks pretty good. What's next? Might take and use some LEDs and have some real headlights and taillights. I've seen people put little stereos in them. I need to figure out what I want to do with a gauge cluster. And then the Baja lights, I want to get some KC stickers, KC highlighter stickers. I think they'd be cool.